twafuniraho mwishiki murungi munonga nyabone bakwetoa
banyetarinda
Shivan nokora ki
Korombuye bwe
ya ugete
kera beriyo niza kubona mbirane bose bane bagambira akaka now India pressure I'm doing good abantu bankunzere ba supportinga and I appreciate that
no twasandira MC Dero wagwa
I'm good how you doing my brother
I'm steady
yes happy holidays to you Merry Christmas to you
ya oristota tunkore media tawe wao tatura nkore media katu yo mpate no twasandira serebo Izaraika wagwa ni papa
the fresh bro
oristede
yo
abrencho ndio mpate rizoba
baba tunaweka media ya NBS
Oria NBS
arrive bro
so oria nkore media sebo
ezo shandi nkore media onga hi tura NBS bro NBS arrive
yakotetereza Izaraika osiskire abrencho washara mukujo mpate rizoba
satocha bonire munonga bro yaman
road sirikiswatu na roja no teka ngunicho chibakubasagita industry yitu ya western
ya man wawe todo shongo bya ambroyi batoro shongoro bya raiji Izaraika bero nuno bitera warai yaman
so ati we unka Izaraika nicho chasinga yo kusomeza
cyashamaza ukutera no kuno nyakitara rwitoro nyangore bakarutera aha umusiginici warayi
mwenu nicho cyo kusaba kureba
urukundo banisha kwatwa Izaraika akunda muziki yeye aitana tone ruho amasho zamani bayi yaman
baza batera akapera
osikire obutoza muno osikire obutoza kali osikire are you ready yaman yaman
mwenu ati onoreba ngo ukuzomu ompate nkezi tibasa kuba nchigita chi western music industry
nofuna basaba abantu batayibawe mugita mwanko mufuna cyo gukora yaman
wow sibora bakutura ari nkore media
abakutubura bakutubanga masibura
rebo mu kamera
abakwata akora media ibaje mu baganda n'abandi bora kutwata n'abandi buzima niyo man wagwande
Nzaya iwe not tureba are the most wanted the most loved on television bajeta nkore media TV kanyondi ZJ Serebo Wambarara of course tugyo mpate twataesa Sirik Stewart and Roger abana bari muni batera pate Orisede brother
kiriya bro
Mberachi
kiriya muganda
wewe urota
ndikiriya mzee I'm fine man
what is your name your name
Isaac Morales
nicho chakureto mpate rizoba
neza kubareba mukamanje
Sirik Stewart na Roger inetibagita industry
watije barunjigaye watije barunji
ngani woryo mpate nabono urota
imani brand je muganda yase
arocho kwenda gambira banta TV
bakumela kwata kacha man
Sede wagwan papa
ndifiti buladika
orisede
ndifiti
amanya
babita kayongo
ya urumpata urabayo
vibe njiulira bulungi nnyo ndimufiti
orisede
ndifiti
sirina
buzibu kubanga bategenda maaso tegeera
ngate munywa ebiwala biriwa
ebiwala mwe ebiri naye ate oba tewazenga ku nsawo oli fiti otunuziba oti
yaman muri sede brother yaman of course chatambura katu ya Nkore Media TV abariyo mpate nibo twina
oristed ogamba
Mberachi
andikiriya
amanyago
bakutaniriso
kitogamba bari ku TV live
andisted nnyo abali ku TV mwenamwe bwamba ki muli kiriya andisted
wati wazerero mpate yasize watuna
vibe nze njagala nnyo vibe kyegindese wano
wewawo omuntu ari kutureba ari Nkore Media TV kandi orisede
Chera webala nnyo
waza kufuna vibe
tunda bumonde
otunda ati
bumonde
nademanyo tunda byakulya
glosh kumanyoko
nibakwatoa
best glosh
nokora ki
stowaga inakasero na Gwanda Tumaze kuwagira Gerard.
Aha, okuwa ikawa wafuna vibe erikwingana.
Manyako tukubya chifulu wano.
Alright, okora mulimo ki?
Signature ndi kusigirya tunda bumonde.
Otunda mumonde ta.
Nakasero, stowange inakasero. Kwanda ne jinja. Aina moyoge.
Alright, olukutera niyo vibe ituna kandi niturumu ntugumizamu katingi enamnatira ingi yaman utatule bari Nkore Media TV kandi they are praying Omega 256 result in a Silk, Stuart and Lodger and many celebrities abamani basereba abamani bagya noto afuna MC Shukuran wagwan muzei
Nije gayo rije
oristade
nona zachima nkora
abantu nibenda kureba
narakunda amati mbakuna ndaka sinzire
ya uhudu aha
nikwe
harot
and vibe yonkako kumnojireba
ninkwetegereza
ebintu vibe namani Nkore Media nimukore chamani munonga tongere mamanza kwa bakabi
twasanga ka 6 Stuart na Roger bijanu yo mu Western ne kiba kutugita mu industry
shana ba DJ bafuna opportunity amani kora munabo tutafuna wa MCs abarunja kusinga izina kora nabo tufunamu naba tufunawo because wasakushanga ine ba MC bamani Kampala bakumanya nanye ndi kuwamanya kongaba osanga ina batunga mukaga abatakuwamanya nabo binenga 20 abatakumanya so tushalinga tu audience bana Stuart and Roger kuijaha nchiyamba ba DJs ka platform nke Jonati ba live ari ya TV yabo mwene siona ne bane kora chi ne bareba kokata kubareba kuno jangu bati kurubatisha wakabira na bari bakora
akubejo sana tureba Star Center Road tujye ne kubasa kubagitaho abwo kuja bafuna platform
ejo ni duo yo kubanza imbalala wakireba ni duo yo kubanza omurimbala so ni tiriza ine kibarafunemu baba tafuniremu eto ne cyabo yamani
aha ni cyo kubasagambira bakuturebeje shahe jinkiuka shukura
abakutureba tibingi munonga kwiyaho mutagire mutwikirizemu we can do best than this bano tubasobora nawe because abana babareba sasa batere choma sivura na tere choma MC Yastera you know tubasoko amani this is Mbarara and we are next to Kampala kikura mtu na jangu Mbarara basonye mushechera da vibe ya na kampani kweli and we can do wachenga chibanu wakora basoko bakabigaye mutikirizemo mutagire bamani ni don't see me say bro
thanks so much my brother Shukuran MC kandi kuruga
TV West program Serezo chamuka na weekend every single Friday and Saturday
yama chari mupate kantu chigaha signature platinum kandi nyeta ZJ Beazin Serebu Wambarara of course tugan celebrating and funa vibe kandi una gwera team Siteba milgwe MC Zax MC wagwan papa
wagwan brother
oristede nyoni fresh mbera nunji nyoni kureta kusignature kusaweno
atikate chineta kusignature bano baringa baganda baffe kubera boja mu Siteba oja kusanga ya signature donaja kusignature jasanga wa Siteba ebala najo nagenda eno business kuba kwatagana kati waliwo baganda bange bali mu kuzanya Rockdance MC Star Center Radio ate badija bamu abakuberi so at the end of the day we share the same people we are sharing the same people
like today twata isa Silk Stuart na Roger ine chikugita industry yitu ya Western Uganda
nimbasa kugira ngo ine chigitaho kugira ngo no aleta mpinduka kubakati badije bawano abana babalabye ate bawano bakuba jo sanga mu bare no sanga mu bareri never to some knowledge kati wa 6 Stuart and Roger. It's a new experience, it's a new vibe. Our people in Mbarara
kubaga Stewart and Roger kabadde kaseera kawamvu nnyo nga tebajja mbalala era bakubye ekibulu kyabwe Kampala ne kikwata era bazeeko embalala abantu baagala nnyo okufunayo fiiru bafuneko yo fiiru abantu bafunye ekintu ekipya ekyo kiba kigattako era n'abaana abaawano bayigirako ng'abeeri nabo abeeri bajja eno balina kye bayiga kuba it's a different environment.
Kati mwenga Stepper kiki muyina abantu mwe temuyina eri bakasitoma bammwe bakasitoma banyu mubiinire kyo mu Christmas season
wabula ebya Stepper byo bingi nnyo olwansonga Stepper is one of the bars ereta abayimbi etazikiza ate surprise si ba Chameleone si ba Palaso si ba Mudra si ba Wizo si ba Madwata Chiko different vibe era kimanyi tuba wano era tugenda ba 6 and Roger bagenda kuyitawo bandi bonna bagenda kumala bayitamuko tutambatambule just era tubeera na surprise ever era Christmas eno kye babamanya muliro ku muliro ate twotya bubi nnyo
wow twagaruka mulimo gwawe nka MC ebugambo ky'okweyinira abantu mu Christmas season
mazima nka MC ninza kubanza kwebaza abantu kukunda imbebazo bagize kuba mwaka gwawa imbebazo bagize mwebale rukundo kandi ninyongera mbendeza Christmas mazima Christmas yihorere mbendeza mwaka musya rukundo kumwe mwebale kukunda mwebale kutajera abagize bazakisa msimwe na mwebale kukunda buzimazima tikabire ndinya y'umutari ninya zakisa msi abo bagize bwanyu abwimwe abantu abakumpakira kandi nyongera kubendeza Christmas enungi kananya nabeta mwiza turi Christmas
yes wowe utatureba soko bakwemu warika intro kokora waringo yingirawo
yo Rosla Saib is Axam Sificom Martin speakers run now we love you sure
you know Angela ngunokopa Alberto
sikopanga Alberto wasonga nze ebanga lemaze mweno industry nze nalaba Alberto ngatandika wano mu Mbarara nalaba Alberto ngatandika mu Casablanca simukopanga ko because I was a DJ before you were DJ and you muzama good DJ by the way but then I try to specialize in MCing sikopanga Alberto tosubiro bandi mukopa sina kwenkopa
dare webare nnyo jangu wano nawe ritimu Stepper yes hey what is your name what jangu wano tukurabe bulungi jangu wano pam no 6 and Roger straight out NBS television Katuga signature platinum in Nkwere Media the most loved online television hano mu Western Uganda and ZJ Beazin Serebu Wambarara nona abuganira abana bari mu benyweramo wagwana muzei
aanze ni steady yo
nibakwetowa
nze bampita ali Collins
nokora ki
nkora mu Central Market
nokora muri moti
nkore bahas envelopes
nokora bahas aha ati abenshi wija signature izo
signature ni zabo jante aroba Serebu afe abor abihang 6 Stewart and Roger jo chande tairizo
wenu 6 Stewart and Roger omu Western batugita hoti
as omu Western batugita okugamba nti abana bitu kugamba ba DJ nibabeka ekintu kihango kugamba kuba kwiza ba motivating hano ekiga motivation segera kutola kubagita ekihango kuba kwiza bito abana bitu bamanya nti binamani babasa kuchaki chikora banga ta NBS live bari live NBS
live NBS kandi ati nkiwori kore bahasa isinunka entertainment ningashi ba DJ ba ne babagita otimu
ati nibatu yamu ku marketing wanga wanda ekintu kyawe kiseringe munonga nogenda kiraki obalabiramu bati marketing kwenda ngo abantu bawuja kibakumanyi just
oraiva nkore Media TV kandi ati wonkiwe urikora basa zikando urikora muri Mbarara ikintu cyo tiwakwenda gambira abantu abakutureba
abantu abakundeba eshahezi no kugira nti nimbashaba ngo basa kubanje bekunda kwegamba nti bakunda omwanya gwabankore koza nkore no mwanya gujeki gubondire sitegera eja saha wasanga ba 60 watu marga Kampala bakiza ankore nikireba kahine kibasha shamana zese ekiriyo ekibakwiza kureba wasitegera ine kibakwiza kujaki kurunda which means ankore we are privileged so nani encouraging abantu banda bakundeba kujanti bekunde ejo njamana kinani mbasa kugambira abantu banda bakunde abankore Media etamweru no kujanti abantu bona nimbasaba ngo bakunde Ruhanga akuba Ruhanga niwatira amagara akuba ina abantu abakufa every now and then yeke ina abantu abakufa na hata kasheshaka ina abantu abayiza kufa so abantu bakunde Ruhanga abahamagara then wase kubamba shakara
we bari munonga abwo kunda nkore Media TV kando cyatureba no twafuniraho mwisi murunji munonga nyabone bakwetoa
banyetarinda
Shivan nokora ki nokora saruni nokora nkai
Alliance
wandi
Kakoba Alliance
oraivari nkore Media TV na TV yona abakureba no bagambira ki
bagambira ntabaferwa kuja kureba kiryane cyamani musigiriki
wandi
nemba janta baferwa kuja kureba kiryane cyamani bishe mwemwe kwatere munabendeza Christmas nunti
tujye mu Christmas season kawaja nokora saruni abantu bari muri bijo okora amashoki ninga n'imikayano
ngandi biza mpora
ni kintu cyo kubasagambira ari kutureba
bagambira mwena naboni kora saruni nimbeta ngubije mbaboneze kora tuboneza abashara na nabashija tubakira mwena byombo kwakwija mwakira
ramusa wa mushija
Nyawatenye na mshija kora kanina mtemanu wanje Meru
orisingo
I'm single Bata ya msachingi
Amuia amoru so single
Okay Jakwa tagana utakafayo
Alright, wabari mnonga mkutureba kandi ntukunda mnonga rukuri ankore Media TV nukuri chamani mnonga Yo Hey straight out nkore Media TV kandi Serebo wa Mbarara ya signature platinum kandi 26 nota no baryo mutomedesha noto asandira MC Gero wagwa.
I'm good. How are you doing, my brother?
I'm steady.
Yes, happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Yeah, or straight out to Nkore Media TV.
Mbarara.
Yes.
I feel so good. I'm home.
Yeah.
So, did you know I had my high school here?
Yeah.
I was here in my high school. Bagandi Mbarara High. No mayangu ningamuri nyankore.
No manyate.
Nindugamba ndu nyankore.
No pati ro muri Mbarara.
Nashemera manyanje ndo muka. Nashemera ni mpuraje yabandi mu Mbarara. Mpuraje. Nashemera munoko kubahanuya. Signature Platinum is my home. Yeah, I love it. I love it here. I enjoy. I love the energy. I love the vibes. I love everything in Mbarara.
What does it add to Western Uganda music industry? This one?
Yeah, it's a good thing having DJ Roger Slick Sword, having these DJs, these famous DJs, all these big DJs come to Mbarara. It's a good thing. It helps the industry and it helps the sound. Yeah, it's a good thing having DJ Roger Slick Sword here and DJ Massey and all the other famous DJs come to Mbarara. It's a good thing. And on top of that, NBS Catch Up is here. Yeah, so NBS Catch Up is in the building. We are live on TV. Show them around. Show them we are live on TV.
Of course, I have to show them that we are around.
And MC Kacheche is here, my brother.
MC Kacheche, Starboy. Wagwan Papa.
DJ Guy no Gamut.
I'm steady. Odibutere vari Nkore Media.
Nkore Media n'abakora MC Kacheche.
Kandi nshemerwa mnonga twakusango mu mbera nkedi. What does it add to our industry of Western Uganda? Kusanga tunepate nkedi.
industry yetu mune ekura noliba buli mwana nakujambala tubakwenda kuzanda wona kana kujambala tumasamba ine chinde special ekiriyo kibalebereyo tukumane bijoku industry is growing.
Yeah, it is growing, I see. Nitubasa kufuna mututa omukujangu patenkeji let's say NBS izo muri Mbarara. Itunkaba Nyambarara nitubasa kufuna mututa.
Of course NBS ijoku nene selling about bitu and of course namutisha baba na bitu bakufuna konda kuzaba ntaba abeshongozi ba DJ ba MC bakwandagana ba DJ ba NBS baba music wabo bagambe nabo baba keeping in touch nanyaka MC Kacheche ne baba emirimo yanje bajanguya abeshongozi bandera buli izoba ena kuza NBS jamba reli izoba senjiji.
I got you. Twareba Star Centenary. What I'm saying,
I want to take this opportunity to thank my brother MC Kacheche. What he's doing in the game for the industry is great. It's good stuff. Respect my brother and keep inspiring. It's good stuff. Good stuff.
Star boy ninga Mr. Yawara. Twareba Star Centenary. Performing tonight, and we had a drive saying 6 Stewart and Roger. What does it mean?
Of course, Savannah were playing a platform when Roger 6 Stewart. Roger and 6 Stewart never more on Badija Bahangom Africa. It is over Nabitu, starts in a red DJ, but sharing the same stage Nabu, can't much sharing a justice. Ukaba TV and Sione Kumariva. Kuna ngambira NBS kwisha kuna munonga sasa the red DJ banbatera almost 70% ebyeshongo byitu so kandi ebyeshongo bitu bya live in NBS tukumanyisa ensione nemune ereba Mbara we growing abana batera ebyeshongo over 70 bina byeshongo birungi.
What could be your last message to the people watching us?
Twazombera bukuru munywe kwa mtasenda mwana muvuga mpola and of course abakwenda kwegiza mujware kulala kuriyo ndware ziriyo so mube ize asigara munyemere happy new year, merry Christmas as
Merry Christmas,
your last message, give us a message.
Merry Christmas, ladies and gentlemen. For now, all I can say for now is Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, stay safe, everybody share love, spread more love, one love. I'll always come back. This is my home. I'll always come back. I love it here. I love it every second that I'm in Mbarara. I love it here.
Tell them MC Gelo that you're coming on stage. Give them an intro, the baddest intro.
Yeah. Do you want me to give it an intro?
Yeah.
Right now?
You're coming on stage.
Yeah.
We are coming on stage.
Right now.
Yeah, give us an intro.
Hello everybody. My name is Jerome MC, aka Champion Jerome, aka the voice here even. And I'm of course wishing you Merry Christmas and prosperous 2023. Take care of one another, spread more love one another. Yeah, that's all I can say for now. I love you, and you. Take care of yourself. One love.
Well, when should we expect MC Kacheche live in the concert?
Akaleetaria pressure yona. Na korombu yewe.
Yeah. We get it.
Kila beli niza kwa mbirane mpose ni bagambira. Akapa now India pressure, I'm doing good. Abantu bankunzere ba supportinga and I appreciate that. I never take that for granted.
Yeah.
India pressure yona.
Yeah. I got you. We are coming on stage. Give us the baddest intro of MC Kacheche.
Ni baba kwiza stage. Yes, abaronja bakoreba Nkole TV. Amazina ni MC Kacheche, Mr. Mbara Boy. Dina serebu wa Mbarara. Obade munonga munukuka mwana munonga. Obade munonga kutukunda. Subscribinga a YouTube channel y'abashijaba. Bakora mu mwana munonga. MC Kacheche Mbara Boy, Mr. Yabala, Mr. Winner.
All right, well, you don't party your thing.